In order for the teacher supervisor to get ready for the exam, prior to the students entering for the exam, you need to make sure you do a couple of things. Number one, make sure that you are logged in to the Proctor account in an incognito window using Control-Shift-N. Make sure that you're using a Windows machine for the purposes of printing. Once you're incognito, the teacher supervisor is going to go ahead and they're just going to simply type Google into the top browser so that they're prompted for the sign-in page. They're then going to sign in, making sure that they're signed in with the Proctor account and password that was provided to your school. Once you've done that, be sure that you've tested your printer. Make sure that the headers and footers are going to be included in the print document, and make sure that if you need to tweak your printer settings using the System Print dialog menu, just so that everything prints properly. It's very important you do this prior to the actual exam being written. The next step is you're going to check your classroom. So go to classroom.google.com and you're going to see all of the exam classrooms that the lead proctor has made for your school site. Go ahead and click the class that matches your exam and room number location. Once I go ahead and click that, I'm going to be double checking that my lead proctor has set up the exam as an assignment, that it's set up so that each student will get a copy of the exam template, that the MP3 has been attached as view only, and that under the Students tab, only the teacher can post or comment. Students cannot interact at all. The next thing you're going to check is to make sure that the spreadsheet of your student login IDs is in your Proctor Google Drive and that the student names have been attached to each ID. You simply go to drive.google.com and you're going to see the exam login spreadsheet. When you open that up, you're going to see the exam IDs, passwords, and student names that have been associated with each one of those IDs. The lead proctor is going to want to make sure that those slips of papers are going to be printed and cut out and ready for them to log in prior to the arrival for the exam. Once you've checked those things, you are now ready to be able to invite your students to write the exam.